One day, while walking through a forest, a man found a young eagle. Not wanting to leave it alone there, he gently picked it up, took it home, and put it in his farm with the rest of his chickens. Soon, this eagle learned to eat chicken feed and behave just as chickens behave. One day, a wise man was passing by. He saw the eagle with the chickens and he was wondering why was this. So he inquired the owner, why was the eagle, who was the king of all birds, confined to live in a farm with the chickens? Since I have given it chicken feed and trained it to be a chicken, it has never learned to fly, said the owner. It behaves just as chickens do, and so it's really no longer an eagle. Now, this old man thought for a moment and he said, "This bird has the heart of an eagle and can surely be taught to fly." After talking it over, the two men agreed to find out whether this was possible. Gently, the wise man took the eagle in his arms and said, "You belong to the sky and not to the earth. Stretch forth your wings and fly." The eagle, however, was confused. He did not know who he was, and seeing the rest of the chickens eating their food, he jumped down to be with them again. Unwilling to give up, the wise man took the eagle on the following day up on the roof of the house and urged him again, saying that "You are an eagle. Stretch forth your wings and fly." But the eagle was afraid of his unknown self and also this new world. So he jumped down once more to be with the rest of the chickens. He continued doing this for a week. On the 8th day, the wise man rose early and took the eagle out of the farm to a high mountain. There he held the king of the bird high above him and encouraged him, saying that "You are an eagle. You belong to the sky as well as to the earth. Now stretch forth your wings and fly." The eagle looked around and up to the sky, but he still did not fly. Then the wise man lifted him straight towards the sun. The eagle began to tremble and slowly stretched his wings. At last, with a triumphant cry, he soared into the sky with its majestic glory. It may be that the eagle still remembers the chickens with nostalgia. It may be even possible that he occasionally revisits the farm. But as far as anyone knows, he's never returned to the life of being a chicken. How many of us could be eagles pretending to be chickens, living a life which is much smaller, restricted, and limited than we are actually capable of? Driven by fear, anxiety, or doubt, we continue to shrink our true capabilities. We are meant to live our life purpose. We are meant to fly. We are meant to be who we uniquely are. We are not meant to be eagles who pretend to be chickens. Yes, sometimes it can be very scary, especially when people around say that it's not possible. But all it takes is just one courageous leap of faith, isn't it? So at this moment, what is it? How are you making yourself small in your life? What courageous leap are you willing to take in your life right now? Take a moment and imagine how it can change your life, who you could become, what your life could be all about. And one important question that I want to leave you with is this: if not now, when? When are we going to live the life that we truly deserve and that we desire? So I'm going to leave you with this to think about. Take care and have a wonderful day.